Hi, this is Adriana, and this is another video about earthing, and this time is about autism. So autism is a complex developmental disability that affects an individual's ability in different ways and degrees to communicate and interact with others. It typically shows up during the first 3 years of life and is not outgrown, causing a potential severe emotional and financial burden on families for decades. There's no single cause for this condition, which has risen steeply in recent years. Typical signs of autism include lack of or delay of spoken language, repetitive use of language, and or motor mannerisms, for instance, the hand flapping, twirling objects, little or no eye contact, lack of interest in peer relationships, lack of spontaneous or make-believe plays, and persistent fixations on parts of objects. Sleep disturbance is often a major problem and can profoundly disrupt normal family routines. Earthing is not a cure for autism, but over the years it's been observed to have a calming effect, improve sleep patterns, and promote better speech and socializing. Earthing reduces inflammation and strengthens the immune system, and thus may offer additional benefit, especially in light of recent autism research revealing the presence of brain inflammation and immune system dysfunction. Earthing opens the door of hope. It may not only reduce the impact of autism on a child in a natural and simple way, but also may lessen the stress level in the whole family. So you see, there's another reason for earthing. So if you've never tried it, just go ahead and try it. You have nothing to lose but a lot to gain. And this is another video for SalesVision for the 100-day video challenge. And just if you have products to sell, or you have a business that you need to promote, you need to generate leads, you can access the digital marketing software from SalesVision to generate leads online, and you don't have to bother friends and family for that. You will find the description in you will find the link in the description below. Thank you for watching. Bye.